Hello guys, and welcome to this video. So in this particular video I'm going to talk about how to create a coloring effect. Now the first thing is for you to go to higgsfield.ai, sign in or sign up if you haven't got an account. The next step will be for you to click on the visual effects. Then the next step will be for you to click on this coloring. Once you've clicked on the coloring, you'll be brought to a page like this where you see various videos created with the same effect. Now in this particular effect, you can see that it looks as if a colored rain is falling on the subject. Now this is purple, this is you can see orange, you can see red, you can see yellow in this particular one. So it depends on what you want. You can click on any of them if that is exactly what you want, or you can customize your own by clicking on the generate here. So once you click on the generate icon, it brings you to this particular page where you can actually upload your beginning frame and your end frame. Now in case of situations where you already have what you want your image to look like, your video to look like, you can add an end frame. But in cases where you do not mind, you can just upload only your first frame, and that is the actual image you should upload. Now after uploading, you can describe the prompt you want to see here, and we can see in this particular one the model, it's Kling 2.1 as the best for it. However, and the resolution is 1080p, and you generate it with 10 credits, but you might not always have all of this, so you can always switch to a different model depending on what you want. And let's assume I want to switch to this. Let me say 1.2 for free version. I'll switch to it, and the perks of this is that it will generate it in 720p and it will be 5 seconds. So I can generate this for 5 credits, and then that's once I click on it, I will have my video appear here after a few minutes, and I'll be able to click download. Now this is a video I created using a different effects. So this is a very good website for people who want to create VFX without breaking the bank. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you very much, and do have a great day guys.